Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Hashtag Zia here. I am doing a test of the new camera mount. Well, not the new camera mount, but the test of where I have mounted my GoPro on my new helmet. I just purchased a Schuberth C3 Lite helmet, which is exclusive to Cycle Gear and Revzilla. So really like the helmet. First of all, the helmet is super comfortable, and it's pretty quiet. I mean, it can get dead quiet. I mean, it's you're on a motorcycle, the wind's hitting the helmet, but it is a heck of a lot quieter than my previous AGV helmet. AGV helmets just fit me all wrong, and they were pretty loud and airy helmets. You know, I didn't do my research when I bought it. I had a limited budget when I was, you know, because I put everything almost, you know, pretty much maxed out on buying the motorcycle. And I had budgeted a little bit for the accessories like jacket, gloves, riding jeans, and helmet. So I purchased an AGV helmet at that time. It was on sale for $230 or $40, which is pretty cheap for, you know, what is a really good looking helmet. So, but unfortunately, it was a little too airy, and it was just too loud, and it was not very comfortable for me, especially on long rides. So I had to switch it out, and what I ended up getting is a Schuberth, which is also not very cheap, but it is cheaper than the Shoei helmets. Now the Shoei helmets are really good. I mean, they're, you know, if this is like, you know, the Schuberth Lite, if it's like putting a I don't know, just because I'm a car guy, let's just do a car analogy. If it's a C-Class, then the Shoei Neotech 2s are gonna be your S-Class. So, you know, that's the difference. They're both luxury helmets. You know, they're both expensive helmets, good brands, up there, luxury brands. But this one is called the Schuberth C3 Lite, and it is $400, which is expensive for me, but still affordable considering how comfortable it is and how this helps me with the longer rides. And it's a modular helmet, so I needed that just to flip up the front end. And yeah, so I just installed the camera. Hopefully it is the right angle. It just feels like it's a little bit lower. Naturally, it just feels it's a little bit lower, but hopefully it's not. And I'm not on super view, so I guess I should have put it on super view. It's just on a wide angle. So let's just see how the wide angle comes out. Usually I have my videos in super view, but hopefully the sound is good too, and the camera angle is good. So just taking a short ride. I actually have my, you know, my wife wants to get something from the mall, so so, you know, gotta go to the mall, but at least I can enjoy this beautiful weather. Cut that. So yep, just taking a ride. Beautiful weather. It's in the what is it showing, about 70 degrees or so, somewhere near that. And it's just a perfect weather. Although I am in my winter, I've got my winter gloves and my winter jacket on, because it's only gonna be in the 60s or so for another hour, and then after that it's gonna drop right down to 30s, you know, to 40s at least. So I just getting out prepared. So, but yeah, it's turned out to be a really beautiful day. I thought it was gonna rain all day, but turned out to be nice and sunny and perfect weather. Like, just perfect weather. It's amazing. Love it. You know, if you've got a camera set up on your bike or on your helmet, go ahead and use it. You know, that's your insurance. That's not your safety, that's just your insurance. You know, safety comes from you, so you're gonna have to be safe yourself. Just anticipate. Everybody's trying to get to that shopping mall or that shopping plaza or some destination, family's place, going out of town. It's gonna be crazy. So you just have to be alert yourself. Watch out for potential risks and foresee it. But a camera would be nice. If you've got it, turn them on and just keep them on while you're riding. That way it just you know, God forbid if something was to happen, at least you have the story with you. But be safe out there, guys. Ride well. I just wanted to do a quick camera angle test and a sound check. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here. I just wanted to bring a quick video and wanted to share with you what the Purple Panda mic and what the Purple Panda mic sounds like inside this modular helmet. It is right in front of me, so I still have to shave off a little bit of that furry cover because it's just barely touching my chin, and it's kind of giving me the itch there. But other than that, hopefully it's good. Please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm gonna try to bring you some more videos. Anyway, thanks for watching. I know I was blabbing on, but tune in next time. Until then, be safe.